nini mama? Jamila alipoka kaanza kulia. Oh, na kushinda kuongea. Hata mimi mwenyewe nikaumia. Kujiuliza kwa nini analia.
Give me, hurry up, hurry up. Hello. I go tell you, these people crazy, oh. Over. With the government. Yes. 100 naira. I want it today. Today, okay? I sell too much oil. I want my money, oh. I no play. Here, turn it off. Hurry up. Take it. Next time, don't take too long.
Here's your paper, warata watu. Warata shani dati watu kisheni.
Why is she here?
I don't know, sir.
Who is she?
Ikasaitu ninki warata isibuhi dati kisibuhi
What
watu.
language she's speaking? Tell her this is Nigeria. It's not what.
Kasaitu afke ini dugolitu watu warata kisibuhi.
You know how to read? You don't know how to read?
Yes, sir.
Good. What did he say? What did he say?
May makasaitu warata aklose.
Wait.
Ninka sa lifte.
Yes, this here is saying that you are good.
Warata subuhi good ma weko. In akribu we in the good for one.
Yes, the department. Who give you this paper?
Avi.
When?
Avi said when my oxygen.
What is he saying? Tell her this is Nigeria. It's not what you can.
May dati warata subuhi dati adi o ako matrat warata subuhi likisiya dati. Ari mo suporti. On kin subuhi kin siya wala tayo weke future. Paman kay bay hay tunguro male.
Did you say food here?
Ha.
Do you have food for us? Do you know I'm the kind?
I'm the president.
I'm the president. I know I'm the president. I don't have food for myself. I didn't eat breakfast.
That I made president of a show food
because people they like me. That's why I'm president.
I don't nobody likes me. Warakte subuhi warakte like food stuff.
You want food? We only have piece of bread. If you want piece of bread,
that is food, piece of bread.
Where's my pen? Give me my pen, you useless.
Sir, I don't have your pen, sir.
You always have nothing. Look at you. I give you 1 quarter yesterday. Today I'm not giving you nothing. You lucky you are my bodyguard.
Sir.
You're not eating with me today. Okay, what is this? No, go to school. Telephone number. How many family you have?
5.
5. The Nigerian government say you only, if you have 5 family, you get 1 piece of bread. You use, yes, you use it 2 days. The next day you will fill this again and bring it here. Yes.
Mine.
Because that is the law in Nigeria.
I should be I
made this law.
Well, good lago. My man can still call Suruna and Arla Kasuna after one Kasama script because Waraka Kishene on that no one Montaroito.
I think you are mentally crazy. I will call the hospital for you.
I'm mentally crazy.
I don't understand you. Who let her in my office? Get her. Take her down. No.
She's gone, sir.
Next time, I'm telling you, oh, if you play with me like this, I'm telling you, you lucky I don't have money to get another bodyguard. Otherwise, I will kick you out. Do you know how much I hate you? Get here right now. Get here. Look at your face. Useless coward. Let me sleep. Wake me. What do you say that time in English? Wake me in 10 o'clock.
without security.
Look at you.
Look at me, what?
The cut.
You need to get out here, man, with your ugly hair, man. You need to go, dog. Look at you.
My hair?
May jira kin jarjira. I'm going to think about.
What? Muga tenta ba de al. Tembo muga shene besku